King is ready to surrender his crown in support of his own son, Prince Edward, although he is a teenager. He will not be the full-fledged king. So now he is abusing. He is frustrating. What are you moved? Pity you me. Then send for unrelenting Mortimer and Isabel, whose eyes, been turned so still, will sooner a sparkle fire than shed a tear. Yet stay, for rather than I will look on them. Here, here gives the crown. Now, sweet God of heaven, make me despise this transitory pomp, and sit for ya enthronized in heaven. Come, death, and with thy fingers close my eyes, or if I live, let me forgive myself. So now he is surrendering his crown in support of his son, Prince Edward, and also requested the God, invoking the God. Now I have surrendered myself. I have given my crown in support of my son. Please take me away. I don't want to live on this earth. So please take me away from here. I want to be with you. And if I am compelled to here, please forgive me. Now he is asking for excused. My Lord, call me not Lord. Now he is frustrated. No? When officers say them, my Lord, call me not Lord, away out of my sight. Now he is restless. He is frustrated now. He is not ready to tolerate anybody here. And he doesn't want to be called Lord. Ah, pardon me, grief makes me lunatic. He himself is mad. He has noticed that his behavior is changing so fast. He has become lunatic. Lunatic means a mad person. Pagal ho gaya. Let not that Mortimer protect my son. More safety is there in tiger's jaws than his embracements bear to this queen. Last request is there of the king. He is requesting these officers. Please request Queen Isabella not to appoint Mortimer the protector of my son. My son is more safe in the jaws of tiger. Tiger means he is more safe with a tiger, with a lion, than with Mortimer. So please ask this is my last wishes, that Mortimer should not be protector of my son. This is the tradition, that when a king is a teenager, he is not of his age, a protector is appointed to guard him, to control him, to educate him. And when he comes of his age, it means he becomes adult, he becomes full-fledged king. So because his son is a teenager, Mortimer might be the protector. He has already noticed this. Protector, I think you understand protector, no? Gives a handkerchief. And he is also giving a special gift for his wife, a handkerchief. Handkerchief means? What do you mean by handkerchief? This is a special gift for whom? This is the gift for his wife, Queen Isabella. Although she has deserted him, but still he is sending his last gift to her. Wait with my tears and dried again with sighs. This handkerchief, this rumal, is wet with my tears and dried again with my sighs, my air, my breathing. If the sight thereof she be not moved, return it back and dip it in my blood. Even if Queen Isabella is not happy after seeing my handkerchief, please come back. Come back with your handkerchief and dip it into my blood and take it away. She will be happy then. What does it mean? He is talking to his wife. This is the last wish, that a handkerchief, a special gift to be sent to his wife, and she will be happy because she has deserted him. She has deceived her husband. And if it is not happy, actually he is really something lunatic like. Bring back the hanky and dip it into my blood. Commend me to my son and bid him rule. Request her to make my son the king, and request him that father misses him. Better than I, yet how have I transgressed, unless it be with too much clemency? And also inform him You should be a real king, not like me. Dekho, this is the condition. Every father wants his son or daughter to be more successful than their parents. No? So although he was a weak king, he was a failed king, but he wishes that his son should be a of qualitative king. No? And he should rule this country properly. And he should not also show any clemency to the barons. He should be a strict king. This is his last wish. True self. And thus most humbly do we take our leave, exeunt the Bishop of Winchester and Trussell with the crown. So last, this crown is being taken away from the head of the king, just like a Maur in our marriage party. Na? This is also quite traditional in our society. That Maur, that we call, I think you know ना, Maur समझते हो ना, कि ये दुल्हन के घर ले जाया जाता है इवन पूजा करने के लिए. So such is the tradition. Now the crown of the king is being taken away from the old king to the new king. Who is going to be the new king? His son Edward, Prince Edward. Yes. So actually he has been behaving childishly. He has become like a child. He is not leaving anybody, not allowing to go. He is talking and talking. So at last, this is the last sentence, no? Farewell, I know the next news that they bring will be my death, and welcome shall it be to wretched men death is felicity. Now he has surrendered his crown in support of his son. So what will be the next news coming for him? The next news, most probably, it will be the news of his death, order of his death. No? And he would welcome him. Why? The king is wishing to welcome the death of his life. Why? Because if life is not enjoyable, if it is not good, it is better to die. No? So that's why he wishes like that. He is welcome the death. He will die with happiness. Another post, what news brings he? Yes, and he was right. Within minutes, the news come of his life. Barclay, who gives a paper to Leicester, the order has come. What about the final solution of this king, King Edward? Such news as I expect. He was listening, no? Come, Barclay, come and tell thy message to my naked breast. He is ready to listen. Whatever the news is there. What about the news may be? That news must be about his death. My lord, think not a thought so villainous can harbor in a man of noble birth to do your highness service and devour and save you from your foes. Barclay would die. Actually, the officers are sympathetic towards him. No, nobody is harsh there. Still now, but the people will be harsh also. Leicester, my lord, the council of the queen commands that I resign my charge. Dekho, what is the condition? That is the order of the queen or Mortimer. Really, it is the order of Mortimer that Leicester also should resign. Why? What may be the purpose behind? Because he was the person who was sympathetic towards the king. And all the officers will lose their jobs who are in support of the king. No. So Mortimer has also dismissed him. And who must keep me now? Must you, my lord? And Edward is asking, then who will keep me? Yeah, my most gracious lord, so it's decreed. Taking the paper by Mortimer, whose name is written here. Well may I rent his name, that rends my heart. This poor revenge hath something eased my mind. He doesn't want to listen even the name of Mortimer. And he wanted to know this. Who has signed? Whose order is this? This is the order of his wife, Queen Isabella, or it is the order of Mortimer, the rebellious Mortimer. So may his limbs, yes, be torn as is this paper. Hear me, immortal Job, and grant it too. Again he is requesting the God to punish him. Barclay, your gaze must hence with me to Barclay Estate. Now he has been transferred from Killingworth to Barclay. What is the purpose? The purpose may be dangerous, no? Whither you will, all places are alike, and every earth is fit for burial. Now he is desperate. King is desperate. I'm not worried. Take away me from here to there, because every earth is fit for burial. Burial means the final rites, no? Final death. So he is ready to surrender himself. He is ready to die himself. So there is no problem. Take me where you want. Favor him, my lord, as much lieth in you. Even so betide my soul as I use him. Mine enemy hath pitied my estate, and that's the cause that I am now removed, and thinks your grace that Berkeley will be cruel. He is expecting that Berkeley must be the cruel place. I know not, but for this am I assured, that death ends all, and I can die but once. Leicester, farewell. He is taking farewell from others, and he is confident that death has to come. Everybody has to face the death, and death is the final medicine that cures, that treats all the ailments, all the diseases. No? So now he is waiting for his death himself, because death is that thing that will ease all the thing. No? So he will be comforted by death itself. Farewell. Not yet, my lord, I will bear you on your way. So in this way he has been transferred. He has been transferred from Killingworth to Berkeley, another place. Whether it is for his safety, or it is a plan that he should be murdered there. That is the chance, no? And king is expecting that he might be murdered there. So that's why they are taking me from Killingworth to that place, Berkeley. No? So in this way, this scene finishes.